Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued a notice to X, formerly Twitter, for failing to comply with IT Rules 2021, and this is because the ministry has raised concerns over misuse of X's AI tool Grok to generate and share obscene content. My colleague Akhilesh joins us with more details on this. Akhilesh, only today we saw Priyanka Chaturvedi also write to MeitY saying that Grok has some image altering abilities. In the last few months, we've seen that Grok has been able to use these image altering abilities and tools to undress women and also post obscene content. Is the ministry looking at regulation? Is the ministry looking at an outright ban?
Well, the regulation is already in place, Vasudha. As you know that the IT rules very clearly prohibit that such sexually explicit content should not be displayed on the social media platforms. But despite that advisory, the Grok has this AI tool of the X platform. Grok has been used to generate images which are sexually explicit and also leading to sexual harassment of various persons. So that's why the ministry has taken very strong view toward this, and they issued a very stern warning to the X platform, asking them to comply with the rules of the IT rules, and they have to submit an action taken report in the next 72 hours. Failing to that, if they fail to do so, then after that they will lose their legal immunity, which prohibits them to be liable under India's various sections. But if they do not comply with that, then they will lose this legal immunity, and that can lead to their prosecution. So it's a very serious matter, very severe action. The ministry says it's very clear that such activities cannot be.
Absolutely. Thank you, Akhilesh, for joining us with those details. X's AI tool has been called out now for generating and sharing obscene content. X has been directed to take immediate action and submit a compliance report within 72 hours. This has been taken. This move has been made by India's IT ministry. With that, it's time for a short break. More news and updates on the other side.